Hey y'all, it's your girl Maya Nicole here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working with LUVME hair again. We love to see it. And today I'm going to be doing a glueless wig method install and review. So I just want to go ahead and say please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you want to see any more hair videos from me or just any other ideas for videos. I'm open. But just to start off, let you guys know what I'm doing. So I'm just cutting off the lace right now, and then the next clip you'll see me styling the wig and just doing what I need to do to make sure it looks good for the camera, and so you guys can really see that this wig is the truth. And also another reason why I'm loving this glueless wig is because usually during the summertime I don't like to wear lace glue, or I really don't like doing the got to be spray method all the time, just because of like the chemicals and, you know, my edges, protecting them and things like that. And I live in Georgia. It's hot, girl. It's hot. So I really hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I'm going to be doing a mixture of talking and voiceovers in between, so I hope you guys enjoy. See you in a second. Alright y'all, so this is me with the wig and the finished product. So I just made sure to wet her. Literally that's all you need. I just put water on her, a little bit of conditioner, and she's ready to go. Look at her. Looking good. So yeah, she's got a lot of bounce to her. We love that. Very nice and flowy. I love the curl pattern. I love it so much. And this lace is amazing. Honestly, I'm starting to think maybe they gave me HD lace, y'all. Because it's giving. It needs to be gay. It's giving, it needs to be gay right now. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. And also, I wanted to show you guys like how quick and easy you can put on this wig. This is a back view showing you where the wig's band should be when you reapply. Y'all saw how quick it took me to take off and put back on that wig? Just a minute and 3 seconds. Bro, this wig is the truth. This is the real deal as far as glueless goes. Like, I can just full on like that baby up and put her back. Like, what? Crazy, right? Even with my comb, I'm just slide it under, and we're back. And look at that. It's giving. Also, I just wanted to show again a close-up. Y'all see the body, y'all see the shake, the definition. Look at that shine. Y'all see it? So as you guys saw from the previous clips, this wig is amazing, honestly. This wig is really glueless. It's getting what needs to be gave. This is a really great wig, honestly. And I just want to say before I get more into it, This lace is giving. I feel like this is HD lace or transparent lace because like it's nice. It's blending really good with my skin, honestly. And I know this is my first time doing glueless method, but this worked out way better than what I thought, honestly. But just to get more into the wig, this is definitely a lightweight wig, great for summer. The cap is very spacious, very breathable. You have 3 clips on the inside, the band, and also there is 2 adjustable clips in the very back. And honestly, I just used the 2 clips in the back and I used the band. And look at how well it's staying. And also, I just wanted to say too, as far as this wig goes, being glueless, I just want to say I really do appreciate this because in the summertime, I don't necessarily like to always use glue or got to be glue to lay down my wigs because it's hot. It's hot outside. I can also protect my edges as well, you know, because using got to be glue and glue, you have to be careful about that because it can take out your edges and just all the chemicals and things like that. You know, just taking a break from that is definitely needed. So I'm really glad that I got the chance to wear this wig and show you guys this. So I just want to say again, thank you to LUVME Hair because this wig is perfect. I already knew, I expected greatness and this is what I got. This is literally like perfect. Literally almost perfect. Perfect shoulder length, and look at that flow. It's getting stuck to my lip gloss. But y'all, look at that flow, and they didn't even move. Need I say more? I'm also going to leave the specs on the screen, and the specs are going to be in the description box as well as a link to this wig if you'd like to buy it. Go ahead and get you one, sis. So yeah, I'm really excited to post this for you guys so you guys can see. This is so great. And also, I wanted to tell you guys too that along with this wig, LUVME has a entire summer collection this year. So I'm gonna put their whole collection right here on the side just so you guys can go there, check out their whole collection, because let's say you may not want a short wig like this, but you still want something that is easy to manage and great quality, a great quality wig. You can still find one. So go ahead, find your match and spend that coin, sis. But overall, I think you guys got the point of this entire video. I live for this wig. You should live for it too. And I hope you guys invest in this wig because it is amazing. And I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by, visiting my channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you want to see from me next. And I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by, watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm glad to be back. We're gonna keep growing, trying to make it to 1,000 on the road to 1K, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.